US President Donald Trump has renewed his threat to target Iranian infrastructure, saying the United States would strike an Iranian bridge or power plant every time Iran attacks a ship in the Strait of Hormuz. In a post on Truth Social, Trump said that if Iran fired a missile, rocket, drone, or any other weapon at a ship in the Strait of Hormuz, the US would bomb and destroy one bridge or power plant, including those located near the Iranian capital, Tehran. Trump's remarks come as fighting between the United States and Iran continues to intensify after an interim ceasefire agreement signed last month unraveled, raising fears of a return to full scale hostilities. Meanwhile, US Secretary of State Marco Rubio said Iran was not serious about talks to end the war. Speaking at a meeting of Southeast Asian foreign ministers in Manila, Rubio said that if Iran was serious about negotiations, the United States was ready to engage, but if not, Washington would do what it considered necessary to protect its own interests and those of its allies.
Unfortunately, so far, even though we have reached agreements, they have not kept their commitments. And as the President stated earlier today, I guess, today Washington time, yesterday our time here now, the problem we're having right now is that they're not serious about talks. If they're serious, we're serious. If they're not, then we will do what is necessary to protect that, our interest and also the interest of our allies.
The conflict has also disrupted global energy routes. Four tankers carrying Saudi crude to Asia reversed course in the Red Sea on Wednesday, a day after three others did the same, following threats by Yemen's Iran-aligned Houthis to block Saudi shipping. Iran has also threatened shipping through the Strait of Hormuz, prompting Saudi Arabia to reroute millions of barrels of oil per day through its Red Sea port of Yanbu. Reuters reported that US strikes have expanded from southern Iran into central and western areas, while Iran says it has targeted US military assets in Kuwait, Bahrain, and Jordan, and also struck water desalination and energy facilities in Kuwait. A senior Iranian official told Reuters that mediators have presented Tehran with a proposal for a 10-day ceasefire. Analysts quoted by Reuters said the Houthi threats against Saudi shipping were likely intended to strengthen Iran's position in potential negotiations. Pakistan also condemned the Houthi threats on Wednesday, calling for the protection of commercial shipping and respect for international law. Oil prices climbed to near six-week highs, with Brent crude approaching $94 a barrel amid concerns over further escalation.